Hey there, tech fans. Rick here again with a quick review of the PixelPlus digital converter box. This product is designed to actually convert the digital TV signals that are being broadcast for free into a signal that you can actually view on your widescreen TV. Now, I'll get into all the cool features this product provides in a minute, but I'd like to start off with a quick unboxing because there's a lot of components included with the kit, and it's important to understand exactly what you get if you decide this product's right for you. And then I'll take a closer look at the unit and explain the connections and indicators and point out a few things along the way that really separate this from a lot of other digital converter boxes on the market. But let's get started with the unboxing first. So when you pop open the box, you'll find the digital converter. You'll find a set of RCA cables you can use to connect it to your TV if you've got RCA analog input. You'll also find a 12 volt 1 amp DC power supply. You can simply plug this into a wall outlet. The barrel connection on the other end plugs into the back of the unit and provides all the power you'll need for operation. You'll also find a full function remote control. Now, I couldn't believe the amount of accessories that were included with this product, including this remote control, because PixelPlus has really built a system here that makes it incredibly easy for you to receive those digital TV signals and view those on your TV, again, for free. Also included is a quick start guide to explain how to connect it up to your antenna and connect it up to your TV. And a full instruction manual is also included that explains everything you'll ever want to know about this product. So always make sure you read through that manual to get the best value out of a product. All right, so the first question you may have is, what is a digital converter box? Well, a lot of people don't know that the TV stations in the metropolitan areas have been broadcasting the same TV signals that they used to broadcast in analog in a digital format for free. So all you need is a way to convert those digital signals into an HDMI signal or an RCA analog signal that you can actually watch on your TV. Now, in addition to this product, you'll need some type of digital antenna. This is a really simple one that you can stick to the wall in your home, and it's got an amplifier attached to it. And this basically connects to the back of it. This picks up those digital signals. They're passed along to the converter, and this converts those digital signals into an HDMI signal that you can view on your TV. And the nice part about this is that it's free, because all of us have cable TV today, and I'm sure that it's a pretty expensive thing to keep cable TV working. This gives you all of the major channels that are broadcast over that digital standard that you receive for free, and you can watch them on your TV, which is great. Now, that would be great if that's all this product did, but it has 64 gigabytes of internal memory, which allows you to set up a DVR, digital video recorder function inside the unit, so you can record the programs that you like to watch when you don't have time to sit in front of a TV, and it stores them internally on that 64 gigs of memory. It also has an SD card slot on the side where you can expand that memory by sliding an SD card in on the side. So I think what you've got here is a great solution if you live near a metropolitan area. This will replace a lot of the cable channels that you're watching today, again, for free. I can't stress that strongly enough, because nothing's free nowadays. With this unit, you'll receive those signals, convert them to HDMI, and watch them on your widescreen TV. It's a really simple product to use. You essentially connect this up to an outlet in your home, plug it into the unit, connect the antenna up to the back of it. Then you have a couple of choices. You can connect it to your TV again over a standard RCA analog connection, or you can use the HDMI output and connect it to a modern TV over HDMI. Both of those work really well. The remote control gives you a lot of control over what channels you're watching, when you're recording something, if you want to watch something you've recorded previously. I think it's great that they include this, because a lot of these products on the market don't actually include the remote, which means every time you want to do something with the product, you've got to walk up and hit a couple of buttons. This unit, you've got the remote. It also has a really nice digital display in the front that'll show you the time of day, and it gives you a lot of information when it's going through its power on self-test routine or when you're stepping through the menu, so I like that as well. It also has the buttons available on the front, which make it easy to program it if you've lost the remote or if you happen to be near it. Now, if you stay tuned next, what I'll do is take a closer look at the unit and actually explain the connections and indicators a little bit more clearly so you understand how to use it. And then I'll come back one more time and point out a few things that I really like about this PixelPlus product that really separate it from a lot of other digital converter boxes you may be considering. The PixelPlus digital TV converter box features a high-impact plastic case, which makes it lightweight and incredibly durable. On the bottom of the cabinet, you'll find ventilation slots that are designed to let any heat that develops during operation escape to keep the electronics inside at a very comfortable temperature. You'll also find 4 rubber feet on the bottom that are designed to protect the surface you set this down on and keep it from sliding around. On the front of the unit, you'll find a power button on the left-hand side that's used to turn the unit on and off. To the right of that is a digital display that normally shows you the time of day, but can also display different menu options as you step through those with the remote control. On the one side of the unit, you'll find two antenna connections. You'll want to connect the antenna into a digital TV receiver antenna, and you'll basically finger tighten that on that connection. The antenna out can be used to daisy chain other boxes or to connect to other products. To the right of that is a full-sized HDMI port labeled HDMI in. This connects to whatever monitor you'd like to enjoy the digital TV content on. High-speed cable from here to your TV. To the right of that is a USB 2.0 connection. You can use this to expand the internal storage by plugging in a thumb drive. To the right of that is an audio coaxial connection. This product provides audio out capabilities where you can use this coaxial connection between the product and a soundbar or home stereo for better quality audio. On the other side are more connections. Starting on the left, you'll find a DC input port, and that's used with the included power supply. You'll simply plug that power supply into a wall outlet. The other end of that cable has a barrel connection on it, which plugs in right there and provides all the power you'll need for operation. To the right of that are three more RCA connections labeled right, left, and video. If you have an older TV that uses analog video and audio, you can use the cable that's included with the kit to make the connection from here to your monitor. Finally, to the right of that is an SD card slot, and that can be used to expand the internal capacity of the unit so you can record more programs using the DVR function. I hope that closer look was helpful. Now here are a few really important things to keep in mind if you're comparing the PixelPlus digital converter box with other products you may be considering. The first thing has to do with the fact that it has internal memory of 64 gigabytes and it has a DVR function. A lot of these products simply convert that digital TV signal into an HDMI or an analog signal that you can watch on your TV, but you can't record anything. With this one, it operates just like a DVR, so I can record programs maybe in the middle of the night or if I'm working during the day, and they're going to be stored on that 64 gigs of internal memory. When I come home, I can watch those off that internal memory. I also like the fact that they allow you to expand that memory with an SD card slot on the side, which means I can get an SD card slot, put it in there, and I've got double or triple the memory, which gives me more time to record even more programs. I also like the fact that they give me both an analog output and a digital HDMI output because that gives me a lot of flexibility in the type of monitor I'm going to use to view those programs. So if I've got this set up down in the den, maybe I have an older TV that uses an analog input, this will work great with that. It also works great with the newer HDMI connections on a lot of the newer, larger, wider monitors. And that's a really nice flexible feature. One other thing that I can't believe still that they've included is this full function remote, because this product would work just fine on its own, but having that remote means I can sit back on my couch, push a few buttons, and control this product from a distance. And then the final thing I'll mention is the fact that the front of the unit has got a digital display on it, which has the clock displayed most of the time, and I like that an awful lot. That time is also set as part of that digital transmission from those channels that are broadcasting the signal, so you never have to worry about setting the clock, although you can do that if you want to, but it'll automatically find the right time. But there's something nice about having this set up on the media center and being able to see that clock from across the room, and I know what time it is, and I know it's time to go to bed when I've watched too much TV. What I like the best, though, again, overall about this, is that it's a complete kit. You don't have to go searching for cables to connect it up to your TV. Power supplies included, remotes included, quick start guide. Everything you need to get started is included with the kit, except for the antenna. And these are not that expensive, so you can pick up a digital TV antenna, put it on a wall in your home, connect it up to the unit, and just start watching free TV, which is wonderful. And that's all I really had for today. So hopefully you found this review helpful. I think it's a great product, and it's a product that not a lot of people know about, so now you do. So thanks again for watching, and until next time, stay nerdy.